differential equations, right? In previous classes we already saw definition of the differential equations, order and degree of the differential equations, and formation of the differential equations, and solution of the differential equations. For solving the differential equations we using some methods. Those are variable separable method, homogeneous method, non-homogeneous method, linear differential equations. Now today's topic is Bernoulli's differential equations. This is the last topic in differential equations. In Bernoulli's differential equations, this is also two cases is there. In first case, a differential equation of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x into y power n is called a Bernoulli's equation in y. It is dividing by using y power n, and substitute 1 by y power n minus 1 equal to z, then converted into linear differential equation. See, we already see linear differential equation, that is dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. This is a linear differential equation. Suppose equation dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x into y power n is there. Y power n, right? dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x into y power n. Then dividing with y power n. Here extra is there. This is a linear differential equation, this part. Right? We are dividing with y power n. Dividing with y power n. Then we get 1 by y power n on both sides. Then we get 1 by y power n into dy by dx plus p of x into y by y power n equal to q of x into y power n by y power n. Here y power n cancel. That is 1 by y power n into dy by dx plus p of x by y power n minus 1 equal to q of x. Right? This equation we are converting into linear differential equations. Right? This part we are converting into linear differential equation. For converting this one, we put 1 by y power n minus 1 equal to z. Then this equation is converting into linear differential equations. Right? dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x into y power n. This is a Bernoulli's equation in y. That's why we are dividing with y power n. Right? Dividing with y power n, then we get 1 by y power n into dy by dx plus p of x by y power n minus 1. Now we take 1 by y power n minus 1 equal to z. Right? We are derivating, we get 1 by y power n into dy by dx. Then we are converting into linear differential equations. Then after solving the linear differential equation. Right? Case 2. A differential equation of the form dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y into x power n is called a Bernoulli's equation in x. Right? Dividing with x power n and substituting 1 by x power n minus 1 equal to z, that is converted into linear differential equation. In case 2, that is dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y into x power n. This is a Bernoulli's equation in x, dividing with x power n, then substituting 1 by x power n minus 1 equal to z, that is converted into linear differential equation. See here, dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y into x power n. Right? This is a Bernoulli's equation in x. This part already we know. This is a linear differential equation in x. Here x power n is there. Dividing with x power n. Dividing with x power n on both sides. Then we get 1 by x power n into dx by dy plus p of y into x by x power n equal to q of y into x power n by x power n. Here x power n cancel. That is 1 by x power n into dx by dy plus p of y by x power n minus 1 equal to q of y. Then substitute 1 by x power n minus 1 equal to z. Then we are converting into linear differential equations. Right? Some problems on the Bernoulli's equation. See here, dy by dx plus x into sine 2y equal to x cube into cos square y. Dy by dx plus x into sine 2y equal to x cube into cos square y. Okay, this is a Bernoulli's equation. Of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x into y power n. Here dy by dx is there. That's why this is a Bernoulli's equation in y. Bernoulli's equation in y. Dividing with y power n. Here dividing with y coefficient is cos square y. Dividing with cos square y on both sides. Then we get 1 by cos square y into dy by dx plus x into, here sin 2y is 2 sin y into cos y by cos square y equal to x cube into cos square y by cos square y. Here cos square y cancel. Here 1 cos y cancel. That is 1 by cos square y is secant square y into dy by dx plus 2 sin y by cos y. That is 2 tan y into x equal to x cube. Okay, right? We take tan y equal to z. Put tan y equal to z. Right? Derivative with respect to, see clearly, here dy by dx is there. That's why derivative with respect to x on both sides. Derivative with respect to x on both sides. Then we get tan y derivative is secant square y into dy by dx equal to dz by dx. Right? Secant square y into dy by dx. Here secant square into dy by dx equal to dz by dx. That is dz by dx tan y equal to z. That is 2zx equal to x cube. This is a linear differential equation. Yes, this is a linear differential equation. In z, that is dz by dx plus p of x into dz equal to q of x. Here p of x equal to 2x and q of x equal to x cube. P of x equal to 2x, q of x equal to x cube. integrating factor if equal to e power integral p of x dx, that is e power integral 2x dx, that is e power 2 into x square by 2, 2 to cancel, that is e power x square, e power x square. Then solution is this is a linear differential equation in Z. That's why Z into integrating factor equal to integral q of x into integrating factor dx. That is Z into, here integrating factor is e power x square e power x square integral q of x is x cube into e power x square dx. Put x square equal to t. Derivative with respect to x on both sides. Then we get 2x into dx equal to dt. X dx equal to dt by 2. That is z into here e power x square equal to t, e power t equal to integral x square, that is t into e power t, here x into dx equal to dt by 2. Therefore z into e power t equal to, right, that is e power t into t minus 1 by 2 plus c. Right? We know that t equal to x square. That is z into e power x square equal to e power x square into x square minus 1 by 2 plus c. Right? That is dividing with e power x square. Then we get z into z equal to x square minus 1 by 2 plus c into e power minus x square. We know that z equal to tan y, that is tan y equal to x square minus 1 by 2 plus c into e power minus x square, which is the required solution. Next one, solve the differential equation dy by dx into x square y cube plus xy equal to 1. See, dy by dx into x square y cube plus xy equal to 1. Right? Take dy by dx right side, then we get dx by dy equal to x square y cube plus xy. That is dx by dy minus yx equal to x square y cube. Right? This is Bernoulli's equation, Bernoulli's differential equation in the form of dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y into x power n. This is a Bernoulli's equation in x. This is a Bernoulli's equation in x. That's why dividing with x power n. Dividing with x square on both sides. Dividing with x square on both sides. Then we get 1 by x square into dx by dy minus xy by x square equal to x square y cube by x square. That is 1 by x square into dx by dy, right, 1x cancel, that is minus y by x equal to y cube. Right? Put minus 1 by x equal to z. Put minus 1 by x equal to z. Here derivative with respect to y. We take derivative with respect to y. Derivative with respect to y on both sides. Then we get derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Here minus 1 by x is there. That's why 1 by x square into, with respect to y we are derivating, that is dx by dy equal to dz by dy. Right? Substitute here. That is dz by dy. Here minus 1 by x is z plus yz equal to y cube. Right? This is linear differential equation of the form dz by dy plus p of y into z equal to q of y. Here p of y equal to y and q of y equal to y cube. P of y equal to y, q of y equal to y cube. First find out the integrating factor. Integrating factor I of equal to e power integral p of y dy. That is e power integral y dy. That is equal to e power y square by 2. Then solution is, right? Solution is, this is a linear differential equation in z. That's why z into integrating factor equal to integral at q of y into integrating factor dx dy. That is z into integrating factor is e power y square by 2 equal to integral. Here q of y is y cube into e power y square by 2 dy. Right? Put y square by 2 equal to t. Therefore y square equal to 2t. Derivative with respect to y on both sides. Then we get 2y into dy equal to 2 dt. Here 2 cancel, y dy equal to dt. Right? That is z into e power y square by 2. That is e power t integral. We are converting y square into y. Here y square equal to 2t. 2t into e power y square by 2. Y square equal to 2t. E power y square by 2 is e power t into y dy equal to dt. That is z into e power t equal to, we know that e power t into t is 2 into, by using by parts, e power t into t minus 1 plus c. That is z into e power t, right, dividing with e power t on both sides. Then we get z equal to 2 into t minus 1 plus c into e power minus t. We know that z equal to minus 1 by x, that equal to 2 into, right, we take t is y square by 2. That is y square by 2 minus 1 plus c into e power minus y square by 2. That is minus 1 by x equal to, LCM take LCM, that is y square minus 2 by 2 plus c into e power minus y square by 2. 2 cancel. That is minus 1 by x equal to y square minus 2 plus c into e power minus y square by 2, which is the required solution. Thank you.